How to fix no sound in Google Chrome, step by step. This tutorial shows you how to get sound working again when Chrome goes silent. First, open Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right. Tap on Settings. After that, tap on Privacy and Security. From there, tap on Site Settings. At this point, tap on Sound. In the next step, make sure it's set to allow sites to play sound. Following this, if a specific site is muted, tap on it under the Not Allowed to Play Sound list and remove it. Once done, go back and check your device's media volume using the volume buttons. From here, open your Android settings and check sound and vibration to confirm media volume isn't turned down. At this stage, long press the Chrome app icon and tap the Info icon to open App Info. After this, tap on Permissions and make sure music and audio is allowed. Once completed, tap on Storage and Cache, then Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data. Finally, force stop Chrome, reopen it, and update it from the Play Store if the issue persists. Keep in mind, if sound plays fine in other apps but not Chrome, it's usually a site permission or cache issue rather than a hardware problem. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix no sound in Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.